force in the world today, and you often hear about volcano eruptions on the news. Here, you see the plate tectonics that cause volcano eruptions in the Pacific today. However, have you ever considered that there might be volcanoes distant from planet Earth? In fact, in the solar system, there are many volcanoes, both active and dormant. So let's begin our journey. First up on our exploration of the solar system is the planet Mars. Mars is the second most diminutive of our 8 planets, and it is the fourth planet away from the Sun. Commonly regarded as the red planet, Mars is residence to the largest volcano in the entire solar system. This volcano is called Olympus Mons. Olympus Mons is a dormant volcano, meaning that it's inactive, and it is 22 kilometers high. It is a shield volcano, meaning that it is a broad domed volcano with gently sloping sides, as you can see here. Mars has many of these inactive volcanoes and was once a very volcanically active planet, abundant of erupting volcanoes and extremely scorching. In fact, very much like Io, one of Jupiter's moons, is today. Io is one of Jupiter's moons, discovered by Galileo Galilei in the year 1610. Io is the third largest Galilean moon encompassing Jupiter. It is the fourth most massive moon in the entire solar system. Io is incredibly dense and has extremely little water. It has more than 400 active volcanoes. Because of the heat of Io's core, there are many volcanoes and lots of volcanic activity. Most volcanoes spew sulfur dioxide and lots of lava streams on its exterior, containing the bright reds and other various colors you can see on the surface. Although the volcanoes on Io are notably hot and spit out lava, other volcanoes in the solar system are precisely the opposite. They are freezing. Take the volcanoes on Enceladus, for example. Enceladus is a miniature moon of Saturn. Although external surface temperatures can plunge to negative 324 degrees Fahrenheit, tiny ice volcanoes, called cryovolcanoes, invariably spit out hot water vapor and molecular hydrogen. They also spit out bits of rock and ash. These cryovolcanoes are essentially regular volcanoes, but the volcanoes unite to the icy core of Enceladus, and as the ice melts, it progresses out of the volcano, generating water vapor and discharging gases. While the Cassini spacecraft was flying around Saturn and its moons, it made an astonishing discovery. When the cryovolcanoes on themselves spew water vapor and bits of rock, they are actually propelling those bits of rock into space, where they are adding to Saturn's iconic ring system. This opened our eyes to the fact that other iconic places in our solar system may have been built or added to by places we will never suspect, like moons or asteroids. Triton is the largest moon of Neptune, pictured here. Cryovolcanoes have also been observed here by Voyager 2, although not in great detail. Regrettably, the graphics of Uniview do not incorporate the moons of Neptune, so you'll just have to envision what Triton looks like. These cryovolcanoes spit out mostly hot water, methane, and frozen chunks of pure nitrogen. We have a lot to learn about Triton and all of the moons of the ice giant planets Uranus and Neptune. Now let's go back home. Volcanoes have been and are still a propelling geological force on not just Earth, but Io, Mars, Enceladus, Triton, and other celestial bodies. Do you think that we'll discover other Earth-like processes on celestial objects in the future? Only time will tell.
All right, let's hear it one more time for Josh and Ben.
Nice, Ben.